What is up, YouTube? It's me, Badger 30, coming at you with another video for our channel. Today we're going to be doing something completely new to this channel. I am going to be doing a sneaker review on a shoe that I just copped, the Giannis Zoom Freak 2. Our post notifications on, leave this video a nice fat thumbs up. It is greatly appreciated by me as always. But other than that, yeah. So let's go ahead and get into this unboxing / sneaker review. So yeah, let's go ahead. Alright, so if you see on the box, we got the Giannis logo right there. You got the Antetokounmpo swoosh, obviously, it's a Nike shoe. And then you have his signature there. So, this is not my first time seeing a shoe though, it's an unboxing. It's just more like, I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, you get the gist. So, this is what the shoe looks like. Alright, so you got the kind of coral orange uppers with the purple swoosh, like plum colored swoosh with neon green sides on that, and then you got the very detailed, very detailed and colorful bottom with the coral and the plum color all mixed together. And with that you have the logo on this side, and you have this like kind of weird galaxy pattern thing that I didn't really like. I don't know what that's about, but it's cool. And then you have like a topographic map looking type thing here with a swoosh on the inside. There's Zoom, because this is what it is, the Zoom Freak 2. And then you got some more purple there with the coral laces. Okay, so I really love this shoe. It's super colorful. I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm a sneakerhead. I said that in a few of my videos. I don't know if you guys really caught on to that, but yeah, this is the shoe that I've been wanting for like the past probably 3-4 weeks. I've been like, should I buy it? Should I not buy it? My birthday was just recently, so I have a bunch of money from that, a bunch of extra money that I was able to purchase these shoes with. So I'm very happy about that. And oh, one more thing. So if you see here, I don't know if you can. It says Charles and Veronica on like the side. Those are Giannis' parents. I looked it up because I didn't know what that was about. I didn't know if that was from like a TV show or something. But it is his parents. They immigrated from Nigeria to Greece to provide a better life for Giannis and his brothers. And obviously, I think if they wouldn't have immigrated, then they definitely would have not provided a basketball career for Giannis, which he is pretty good at, I'd say. I mean, I don't know. I'm just kidding. Defensive MVP, I'm pretty sure. MVP, he's pretty amazing. Not even gonna lie. So yeah, and I wore these shoes today to church. It's Sunday, and I will say that definitely they're very comfortable. The ankle support is like very much so to par, maybe just higher than that. One more thing, I looked it up also, that they crease really easily, the midsole, and so these are like used, but they're my force fields. I use them on my J's and then also the Giannis's, or any shoes that I feel like they might crease, because I'm a big sneakerhead and I like using my shoes. And there are people that like if you can't afford to crease them, you can't afford to wear them. And I stand with you on some shoes, but just some of them that just looks really bad. I want to keep them looking really nice and fresh. So definitely, if you're worried about creasing them, get force fields or I don't know what sneaker shields. Yeah, and these like force fields are foam, but they actually hold it in place pretty well. And then the sneaker shields are plastic that I insert. I haven't used the sneaker shields, but force fields. So you have like the tape here, like you got some tape to keep it on, right? But I noticed that they were falling off while I was wearing them, so I decided to add some personal modifications, right? 2 pieces of like scotch tape, I just slide them in, they pretty much stay in the entire time. I don't play basketball in my basketball shoes, so I don't really necessarily have to worry about them falling out. I just walk around a lot. So yeah, that's pretty much all you need to know about the Giannis. I think that I might turn this into a series, actually. I don't have the money to buy shoes once a month or once a week, though I would really love it if I could. And I've been thinking about going into sneaker reselling off of GOAT and selling them on eBay or something like that. But it's just, I don't know. It's just a thought that I've been having, and I've been talking to my friends, and we've been thinking about working together on that. But I don't know. I just think that I want to maybe I just wanted to preview these shoes for you guys because I really love them a lot. I think that they're super awesome. And I actually only got them for $96 because, like I said, I had a birthday just recently, and Nike sent me because they knew I was looking at the Giannis's. They were like, "Hey, here's a 20% off." So they were originally $120, but then I got it for $96, which I feel like is very, very nice. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. I want to see more sneaker reveals, and whenever I get a new pair of shoes, I will definitely do it. If you can get me 10 likes. All right, if you didn't like it, well, let me know in the comments. If you just stick to Madden and stick to football, I get it. It's completely new, and you guys might not be used to it. But I just wanna try something new. All right. So if you subscribe, put those post notifications on, and leave this video a nice fat thumbs up. It is greatly appreciated by me as always. See you guys in the next video.